Hi everyone, it's Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back to share with you guys some birthday happy mail that I received from my friend Christine, who is Shabbypinkhouse here on YouTube. Hi Twinsy, and for those of you who don't know, we call each other Twinsy because we have the same birthday. So Christine, thank you so much for sending me this package, and I really hope you enjoy what I packed up for you and yours. So let me go ahead and get started. All I did was cut open the top of the box, and the first thing I noticed was that it smelled so good. So Christine, I don't know what you put in here, but it smells so pretty. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and just take everything out of the box, and then I will share with you what's included in here. Here's a look at everything that came out of the box. Look how beautifully wrapped and tied up with ribbon everything is. Christine knows my favorite color is blue. So thank you so much, Christine. I don't even want to open these. They're so pretty. But let me go ahead and jump right in. So the two items right here, let me go ahead and clear this stuff out of the way. So she has some trim here, and I don't even want to take it out, but looks like she used some pattern paper with the blue in it, and these toppers on each one of these bags, are they not so cute? And her bows, last time she sent me handmade bows like this, I did use quite a bit when I was making my tassels. And then that's so pretty. She added a key, and I think that's a locket. I apologize for that glare. And she used a garment pin to hold it together. And this is the, I know this is one of her favorite trims. It's the like cut up tool that she uses. So thank you so much for sharing that. I think I only have that in pink, so I will put that to good use. And then this one, she has some of these beautiful appliques. Do you guys see that sparkle on those sequins? And these are really fun to add for texture and just kind of layer whenever you're doing some sort of shabby project. And most of the ones I have, the pearls are falling off. So these will be added to my supply and will be used with love. So here is the next package. Like, your bows are perfect. Mine always come out crooked. And of course, all this ribbon I will save. This is so beautiful. Let me bring you guys in a little bit closer. If you guys don't know, Christine is the queen of shabby, and I love how she layers everything. Look at these feathers. I have a bunch of feathers that I've had for years, and I keep holding on to them because I think I'm going to use them. And maybe I should just send them to you, because I've yet to use a single one of them. But she has some of this lace in the background. She first started off with some cheesecloth, and she layered some of these applique pieces. And then she has this beautiful small flower cluster with the blues right here. And these are some of my favorite Wild Orchid Craft flowers. And has this bow with seam binding, and she always uses the lace that I gave her, which I think is so cute. And here is some tulle that she kind of gathered and pleated, some sprays, and some rose trim on the spine. And she even lined the flap here. So cute. And is this a, oh, duh. So here is a pull right here, which is how I open it. So in here, look how pretty. So even look at even the inside of the box. She added some like tiny Chinese braid trim, and then laid down some cheesecloth to make it extra shabby. And she made me some embellishments. Like, these are so simple, but I struggle with simple. But I love this. And look at the butterfly. And look at this teeny tiny cluster of flowers right here. So cute. And this tiny doily in the back. Thank you so much, Christine. I always love everything she makes. I have like a whole section in my craft room of just Christine and everything that she's made me. Oh my goodness, Christine, this is beautiful. Do you guys see this? And I love this blingy bling bling over here on the side. She has it on a lobster clasp that's holding it onto the bag with a garment pin. These are so pretty. I love putting chain on my dangles. Here's a fancy little hanger, a jeweled butterfly because she knows I love butterflies, and a locket. I just chopped off all my fingernails, so it's very hard for me to get into stuff now. This beautiful cabochon, the Eiffel Tower with the blue background, a blingy bow, and an Eiffel Tower charm. I love it. Did you print this out on your computer? It looks like it. I love doing that for projects. She most likely made this rosette with all these yummy layers, and then has one of these like ribbon roses. I don't even have any that big in the center. Some more bows and dangly bits to make it extra shabby. And I know she hand placed every single one of these little appliques and lace and the dangles down here. It is just so beautiful. And then on the outside here, she used some tulle trim. And then even on the top, she gathered up some lace and put it on the inside to finish off the top. And what's in here? Oh my goodness. Look at this huge piece of wedding applique. And you guys really can't see it, but it is just Sparkle City. Thank you so much. This is a huge piece. I wonder if this is like part of, I wouldn't even know because I've never put on a wedding dress. So thank you so much. I'll try not to hoard it, but I can't make any promises. And that just fits so nicely in there. I love it. Thank you so much, Christine. It is beautiful. And here's the next one. Oh, and I went backwards. This is the card. Let me go ahead and take it out of the plastic. If you guys have not seen Christine's cards, you really, really need to go over and look at some of her videos because they are just so detailed and so much work goes into it, and they're absolutely gorgeous. I love this. And it is an easel card. Oh, there's the stopper. Can you guys see that? The rose right there is the stopper. So she has some of this Hobby Lobby trim. I might have sent this to her, but this is one of my favorite trims from Hobby Lobby. And let's look at the front here. So she has some La La Land Crafts dies that she used. Here is the banner with the heart cutouts. And this is the half doily with the hearts. And she layered a couple pieces so that it'd be really sturdy. She has some, I believe, 4mm flat back pearls up there on top of this really dainty ruffled lace. She even puts these teeny tiny flowers on the ends of the banners, as well as these teeny tiny bows. And this image here is a polka doodles, and if you guys can see, like on her dress and stuff, she just highlighted it with, I believe, some stickles. And then she added these teeny tiny butterflies with, these are probably Swarovski crystals. And then she layered this fence back here. She did a couple layers. I don't know if you guys can see, because her layers aren't like really dimensional per se, but look how many things she's tucked behind and in front. So pretty. She did the same thing with like the stickles on parts of the flowers, and then also added these little tiny flowers into like the collage of what the paper had. And then, of course, her beautiful flower cluster on the side here with the feathers and some cheesecloth in the back. These pearl sprays. And there's some more pearl sprays in the back here. She always puts a heart blingy charm on her bows and all this dangly bits that I love. So beautiful. Thank you so much, Christine. So let me see if she wrote something. Oh, thank you so much, Christine. I love it. It will go up in my craft room with all the other beautiful cards that you have made me. And then we have one last package. I can already see some fun stuff in here. She got me some goodies. Yay! Look at how beautiful everything is. Ooh, I don't think I've ever seen this at Joann. But they're like filigree butterflies, and they're really lightweight. So you can kind of shape them and mold them to use on whatever project. These are really pretty. And I love the size of them. Thank you so much. You knew exactly what I'd like. That's why we're twinsies. And these beautiful flowers from 49 Market. And to be totally honest, I'm not a very big fan of their flowers, but these are gorgeous. I love these flowers. Thank you so much. Doodads, I've never had any of these. This is called Caribbean Sea, or Caribbean Sea, however you pronounce it. But I'm going to try to get a closer view without blinding you. But they're these, it's kind of like cellophane type of embellishments, because this is super lightweight. And then there are some different little confetti pieces, and it's very hard to show you, but I love this shade of blue. Thank you so much. And then this one is called Princess Sparkle. And just with a name like that, who wouldn't love it? This one just has a bit more of the flatback gems and different colors mixed in instead of like an all blue theme like that one. This is pink, purple, and blue. My 3 favorite colors. These look like so much fun. Thank you so much. And some resin frames. I love using these on my mixed media projects. You can never have too many of these. So thank you so much. And what's this? Oh my goodness! Christine! How did you know I did not have this yet? This is the new Sugar Cookie Christmas by Frank Garcia. And I did not pick it up when he first released it. I don't even know what happened, but I saw the flip throughs and it is gorgeous. For those of you who have not seen this, I'll just do a very, very quick flip through. But here it is. It is so beautiful. If you like Santa Baby, you'll like this one too. But the bonus is this one has more blues in it. So, oh, these are so cute. Oh my gosh, I love snowmen. Seriously, stop it. I'm gonna have to get the larger sheets now. Seeing it on video does not do it justice. And I'm gonna be so sad cutting into this. Look at all these cute little cut aparts. Do you guys not love this color combination? Oh, thank you so much, Christine. And she also gifted me the ephemera to go with it. That is what is inside. Yay, I cannot wait to start playing with some of this. I will try my very hardest to cut into it. It's going to be difficult. That's why I normally pick up multiples of things. You guys know that. But thank you so much, Christine. I am blown away again by your beautiful creations and how you know me to a T. So thank you so much, girl. I heart you. And please go check out Christine's channel if you have not done so already. You will not be disappointed. But thank you guys so much for coming along and sharing in my happy mail that I got for my birthday. And I will see you guys really soon in another video. Bye everyone. Thanks, Christine.